In this video, I will show you how to buy an Amazon gift card. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To go ahead and purchase an Amazon gift card, you can actually do this through the Amazon website. So you can do this on the app as well if you're on a mobile device, but what you want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the search box at the top, and into the search box, you can literally just go ahead and type Amazon gift card, just like so. When we search for this, you're going to see some different options come up. So we've got like an e-gift card, we've got a physical gift card, a printable gift voucher, and you can see there's a number of different things we can purchase. In this example, we're going to go ahead and select the e-gift card. This is really cool because what you can do is once you purchase this, you can have it emailed to a friend if you're purchasing it for someone else, or of course, if you're purchasing it for yourself, you can have it emailed straight away for yourself. So once we've clicked onto this, we can actually change the design of the gift card as well. As you can see, we've got any occasion, so we can choose different designs. We got seasonal as well, and we've even got things like celebration. So if you wanted to send a gift card as like a birthday gift or something like that, then of course you've got different themes for your gift card from here. So what you want to do is choose that first of all. I'm going to go with this one because I quite like this one. Then you would choose the gift amount. So as you can see, there's a number of different denominations. So we got £20, £30, £50, all the way up to £150. Or we can enter a custom amount, which has to be a minimum of at least 5 Great British pounds. Of course, this is going to vary dependent on your country and local currency. And once you've done that, you want to select how to deliver this e-gift card because it's not physical, it's like an electronic gift card that's going to be emailed or text to either yourself or a friend. So all you would do is select from here. So if you wanted to do email, you would click here and then put your email address into there, or you can have it sent by a text message and you just need to enter the phone number of the person you want to send that through to. Now, in addition to that, you can also send a message as well. So you could put like, if it's like for someone's birthday, just put something like happy birthday, here is a gift card or something like that. And of course, you can put your name so they know who it's from. Then you can choose the delivery date as well. So you can choose whether to have this delivered straight away, or if you wanted to buy it for a date in the future, for someone's birthday, for example, you can do that from here as well. So once you've done everything, all you need to do is come over to the right hand side and click the add to basket button. As you can see, it says added to basket. What we can then do is proceed to checkout. So we're going to click the button here to go to our checkout, and then we would just go through the normal steps to purchase this gift card. And once it's been purchased, of course, that's going to be sent either straight away or on the date that you specified. So that is how to buy an Amazon gift card. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.